Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a drop-down menu into your app projects on Retool. So let us guide you through this. So head over to the app editor and to the page of your app project on Retool. Open up the add component menu in the top left, and here you will need to scroll down till you get to the select inputs here. For example guys, you may add a checkbox, or a drop-down menu is, for example, either the cascader here or select. I will go with cascader. Left click into it, position it on your page here, for example, and after that navigate to the properties of the component here to the right. So you may customize these options here. For example, edit the option or the uppermost option by left clicking into it, select value here and rename it. For example, I don't know, option 1. And then assign a label, caption, a color, a prefix image, and so on and so forth. Disable it, for example, here. And you can do the same for any other parts or sub labels or sub options here. Simply click into them. You may add also more of these by clicking into that plus button, and now this sub option has these two sub options. So you may do the same for them. Left click into them, rename them here next to value, and continue doing that for your drop down menu. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.